Tonight we're learning more about the months leading up to the death of Charity Powell Bialis and her two young children.
The three deaths were reported on Wednesday in Bonanza, which is just south of Fort Smith. Court records outline a domestic violence case and a divorce filing earlier this year.
5 News reporter Bo Russell is here now with a closer look at that timeline. Bo?
Hey Morgan, hey Darren. Well, I've been going through police reports, court documents, and talking with Charity's family. We're learning tonight that the day before Charity and her 6-year-old twins were found dead in her home, she was in court for her final divorce hearing. Court records show that on February 16th, Charity Powell Bialis called police reporting that her husband, Dr. Randall Bialis, assaulted her inside their home.
On February 16th, my son-in-law choked my daughter in front of her children, drug her down the steps, and he was arrested.
Bialis initially faced 4 charges and ultimately pleaded guilty to 1. On March 5th, Charity filed for divorce in Sebastian County. In that complaint, she asked for sole custody of the twins and wrote that there had been a history of violence in the home. Today, I spoke with Arkansas State Senator Terry Rice, who confirmed Charity came to him for help earlier this year, telling him she feared for her life and her kids.
If it hadn't been for him, she'd have probably been dead before now. But Senator Rice done everything he could.
On Tuesday, December 2nd, Charity and her husband met in Sebastian County Court for the final hearing in their divorce case. The next day, police found Charity and her twins shot dead inside their Bonanza home. On Thursday, a day after that discovery, Bialis and his attorneys filed a motion to dismiss the divorce. Charity's family says they still have not heard from law enforcement.
I had to contact the sheriff in another county that I know through high school to get him to even confirm that my daughter was dead. They would not even confirm to me that my daughter and grandchildren were dead.
The Sebastian County Sheriff's Office says they have not identified any suspects in this case, but also say they haven't ruled anyone out. Today, I asked the Sebastian County Circuit Clerk for documents related to the Bialis final divorce hearing. She directed me to the state's online court record system, but there are no entries from that hearing. I've also reached out to the office of Judge Shannon Blatz, who presided over the divorce, but have not yet received a response. Senator Rice tells me he believes it's important this case has as many eyes on it as possible to make sure justice is served. I'm Bo Russell, 5 News.